Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. So the Galaxy A52 5G is in the rumor mills right now. We are hearing more and more leaks regarding the Galaxy A52 5G, and almost all the spec sheet has been leaked courtesy to popular leakster Even Plus and also some bunch of other Twitter leakster online. And today's video is not different. Today we have found that the popular leakster on the Twitter account Anthony has given us information on his YouTube account about the official teaser video for the Galaxy A52 5G, which gives us pretty much good indication about what to expect from the next generation of A52 devices, and probably three other things that are most importantly highlighted in that official teaser. And one of them is going to be obviously the battery capacity, which in the rumors mills right now gives us a detail that we are expecting to see 4500 milliamp of a battery capacity. It is obvious that it is coming with a 5G support, and along with that we are going to see a 90 or 120 Hz of refresh rate on top of that, which means that we have to have this kind of battery capacity. And the number second thing which is more focusing and highlighted in that particular official teaser is obviously going to be the IP67 rating that is coming alongside with the Galaxy A52 5G. Where that being said, the last one is obviously going to be the camera sensors that are going to be coming, and they are going to be a 64 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 8 megapixel of ultra wide, and 5 megapixel of macro shooter, and 2 megapixel of depth sensor camera. So the official teaser gives us pretty much good detail about what are the main highlights that Samsung is going to be focusing on, although we didn't get any kind of device information, what this device is going to be look like in terms of design from front and the back. But obviously we are going to get some information about the upcoming spec sheet that is going to be coming inside. Also in the leaks we are hearing that the Snapdragon 750G processor is going to be coming in the Galaxy A52 devices, and with that we are expected to see 6 gigs or 8 gigs of a RAM variant, and 128 gigs and 256 gigs of internal storage is also expected. 4500 milliamp of a battery capacity with a 25 watt of fast charging support is also expected. And finally, the pricing of that particular device is going to be in the rumors as well, and we are expected to see this device to be around 429 euros, which is going to be interesting right now. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.